Are you tired of overpaying for basic accounting tools? I've been testing Wave Accounting. Yes, the free one. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what it can and can't do. If you manage books for freelancers or small businesses, this could save your clients real money. But is it reliable enough for professional use? Let's break it down. Features, limits, and real talk from someone who actually uses it. By the end, you'll know if Wave is right for you. Core features. If you're a freelancer or small business owner, Wave offers free cloud-based accounting, income and expense tracking, bank reconciliation, receipt capture and organization, custom invoices. You can use it on desktop or mobile. You don't need to install anything. Everything runs in your browser or app. Simple interface and invoicing. The layout is clean and easy to understand. You don't need accounting experience. Invoicing includes custom logos, online payment options, credit card, bank transfer, Apple Pay, fast payment processing, one-day payouts in Canada, 2 in the US, recurring invoices for regular clients. This saves time if you bill the same clients every month. Limitations. Wave doesn't support many third-party tools. You can connect some apps through Zapier, but it's limited. If you rely on tools like inventory, CRM, or time tracking, this might slow you down. But that's it. Not pronouncing locus. Core features is: if you're a freelancer or small business owner, Wave offers free cloud-based accounting, income and expense tracking, bank reconciliation, receipt capture and organization, custom invoices. You can use it on desktop or mobile. You don't need to install anything. Everything runs in your browser or app. Simple interface and invoicing. The layout is clean and easy to understand. Payroll costs. Payroll isn't free. It's a paid add-on. Here's the pricing. $20 a month plus $6 employee, self-service states. $40 a month plus $6 employee, tax service states. If you're in Canada or the US, factor that into your budget. Final thoughts? Wave works well for freelancers, solo business owners, anyone keeping things simple. If your needs grow, you may want a more advanced tool. Try it, see how it fits your workflow, and adjust as needed. If this helped, click the like to support the channel. Subscribe for more. See you in the next video.